Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how we can easily add Instagram feed to your website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Instagram feed for Elementor. So let's click sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Then you're going to be in your applications, and in search, you just want to write simple thing, Instagram. And then you're going to see here, Instagram feed. Let's create a widget. Now you need to choose a template. You can go with a slider, you can go with a grid, or even a hashtag showcase, collage. Really choose which one you actually want, right? I'm going with the hashtag showcase, continue with the template. Then just add here your username or hashtag that you want to appear. Again, really simple, right? You can also edit filters like number of posts to display. You can change again the layout here. If it's only the tile or classic, I will leave classic. You can change the colors. And that's pretty much it. So let's just click save now. When you're gonna do it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Then you have options to go also with the all packs here. Let's copy the code here. And now what you want to do is just write search widget, write here code, and then the HTML will appear. So I'll just paste it and I will paste the code here. And look at this. Pretty, right? And now I'm can preview the change. And here you got it. So this is how you can simply add Instagram feed to your Elementor website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. What you can do also, if you are interested, you can just simply add columns here. Right? You can simply add columns, and you would just add it to column if you want to make it smaller or something like that. It's completely up to you. But yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you. And if you have any problem with implementing to your Elementor website, I recommend writing to Elsite support, and they are going to help you a lot. So yeah, have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.